Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and answering a question that is tough to answer about manufacturers of computers and who's better or who's not. So here there are names in this screen that are non-existent anymore, pretty much, like Toshiba. It's a question that a tech guy also gets asked all the time, over all the time that I was fixing computers. Is there a better PC maker? What should I buy if I want a good computer? And there's no definite answer, honestly. I've, over the years, found that every PC maker technically has some good models and some not so good models. What I mostly saw over years is models that, the people complaining mostly were because people didn't want to pay too much for the PCs, and ended up with models that were the hardware is like not up to what it takes to have a good working Windows operating system. Particularly happened in the Vista era, where a lot of computers were really, really low on RAM, and I was like, no, this is why it's so slow. Did I, over the years, see any models that were worse than others? You know what? Not that much, because one of the biggest problems with the different models of computers and the different brands and makers of PCs is that the more you're popular, the more you will probably have people complaining. I often hear people complaining of HP. I've owned 2 HP computers in my life. They were great, and they lasted, and I just moved on because I needed something more, something better. I had a lot of Toshiba laptops. They were pretty much all great. I loved them. I bought an Acer laptop for the first time in my life 3 years ago, and it was a gaming laptop, which works great, still works today. It's a main driver on my my smart TV in the living room. I've bought a gaming laptop, which I'm using right now, which is an Asus, which also, these are models that maybe I would never have considered in the past, and that I'm actually using now today. From what I see mostly is that if you put enough money for the PC to be powerful enough, in general, it should last, and it should work for a long time. And I think that there are PCs that do develop hardware problems. It happens, unfortunately. So in every model, I've pretty much seen a computer that, would go bad because of a bad motherboard, or the CPU, or, bad, probably in the laptop specifically. What I've seen a lot is bad ventilation that makes the computers overheat. But there's no straight answer to, which one is better than another. And what would I buy next? Honestly, because I like gaming, I am into gaming laptops. I would probably go to, anything from any manufacturer that looks decent, that looks well built, and that looks like a good gaming laptop, which are typically more expensive than regular laptops. Would I choose a brand over another? Not necessarily. It all depends on much more specifications than the brand itself, probably. I think what is the best to do, because there are models out there that do have problems, is if you see something before buying it, what you could do is, Google the brand and the model number of that system and see if people have specific problems on them. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.